Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to repair LED bulb. To repair LED bulb, first of all we have to check at a glance which one SMD LED is in bad condition or damaged. I can see here is an LED which is bad. We also check other LED. To check another LED, there is a circuit by which we can check the other LED SMD is okay or not. Inshallah, in my next video I will show you how to make this circuit to check SMD LED. Now let's check the other LED is okay or not. This one is okay. This LED is bad one. This is not working, so we have to change this LED. I have no any SMD LED, so what I have to? Should I throw it to basket bin? No. Hey! I have just taken 10 ohm 2-watt resistor and I will fix it here instead of this LED. Let's do it. We have to make sure that the 2 point is not in short. Now I will place this resistor soldering, clean up the surface to avoid shorting. Now I am going to light it up. Wow, it's working nicely. Viewers, hopefully this video brings you something. If so, please hit the like button and I will bring you more video on LED. Till then, take care.